Hey guys, Zip 2001. We were at Hubbardston State Forest for our first real winter ride. Man, everything is iced over, and it's in the mid-20s. We spent just here under 3 hours. What a blast! What a blast! Yeah, I got lost a couple times, but that's all right. That's what happens when you wing it. It was just too much fun out here. Oh man! Hopefully, we're gonna have a real fun winter season. We just need to get a little more snow. Just need to get a little more snow. So hey, come check out the ride. Woo-hoo. Stay safe. Branch. Oh, that branch got me good. Got a tree on it though. Oh, gotta try and hit that at the right angle. Oh, this is rocky here. Come on. Just having fun. Out in the woods. Yeah, baby. The climate's killing me. Ain't so bad in the summertime. Oh. I guess the quickest way to get your riding legs back is to do a bunch of hills in the winter. Oh, wake up. Let's go. Oh, this is great. Oh, you're over that limb. Oh, let's go for that limb, huh? Ooh, you can see the ice all on the trees, all frozen. That's why these overhanging branches on this trail just knocking the crap out of me. Those things are pretty heavy when they hit you. Let's go. Whoa. Blankets, huh? They got ice on them. Trying to duck as low as I can on those things. Come on. Come on. A little dip there. That's